Hello again. Today I'm going to give you a very handy tip, something that is going to make your work in the Finder when you're working around with your files and various windows, make it a lot easier. And it's something that I don't really notice people using. When I teach classes and I have lots of students, I really don't see this, and it's not something that you're going to see articles about or anything like that. But it's been around for a while, so let's talk about it. It's it's called customizing your toolbar. Now we're in we're in Finders. Did I say was I just saying Windows? No, we're in Finder here, and let's go ahead and open up a new Finder window. Just a regular window that serves as a directory. Okay, now this is called a toolbar up here that shows up in every Finder window. Now you can hide all this, by the way. See this little button right here, this little mysterious button that nobody knows about? Watch this. Gone. Okay, sometimes I see that sometimes when I mount a disk image, for example, I'm loading software, uh, I will notice that my toolbars go away in my other windows. So um, it's just a question of, it's just a matter here of clicking on this. And I can't remember what this is called. I have to look this up. Anyway, this is the toolbar, and we can customize the toolbar to our liking. There are several other tools available, and whenever I set up a new Mac for myself, or rebuild it or what have you, I will go through my initial exercise of customizing the toolbar the way I like to use it. So to do that, we go to the View menu, and we'll see down here, Customize Toolbar. And out pops our little customization panel. Now, at this point, I'll just mention that most modern Macintosh programs, if they're written correctly according to Apple's guidelines, in something called Cocoa programming, uh, the applications themselves will also allow you to modify and customize the toolbars within the context of that application. So you will always find those under the View menu and Customize Toolbar. So when you're in an application, like Pages for example, go ahead and take a look, even Safari, Mail, and you will see a Customized Toolbar, and the panel shows up here showing you a number of tools that you can add and place wherever you wish. So this is a standard set of tools. Let's say that, for example, this is the Quick Look tool. Let's say I never use this and I want to remove it. So we simply take it and drag it out, and it goes poof. Now, there's a couple tools here that do not show up by default, so I need to add them. And one is the delete. And notice these little blocks allow you to position. If you want to place a little bit more space between items, you can take space or flexible space and just add it in there, just to keep that deletion far away from the other tools. The other one that I like using is Get Info, because that'll give me attributes of the whatever I select, like a file, for example. You Windows users would refer to that as properties. Okay, so I put the Get Info, I put the delete up there. This is the search, and of course we have that. If you didn't want a search bar, you can take it off. But you don't need to worry, because you can always add it back in just like that. If you got rid of the standard little set of icons, you can always put everything back the way it was, the default set right here. So let me put the delete back up here, and the get info over here. And then the other one I like is the new folder icon, so that when I click this, create a new folder. And I'll just add a little separator here. Okay, and then we click OK. And now we have our new toolbar. And in fact, if I create a new Finder window, or anytime I open any Finder window, I will have those new items. So that's it. Try it out. You really only have to do this once, and you'll find that it's a big time saver. So thanks, and I'll see you next time.